tried to crash your party. Saturday I said I'm sorry. Sunday came and trashed me out again. I was only having fun, wasn't hurting anyone, 'cause he only enjoyed the weekend for a change. I was ready in the comfort zone. I walked to bed for style alone, even rode my motorcycle in the rain. And he told me not to drive, but I made it home alive. So you said it only proves that I'm insane. You may be right, I may be crazy, but it's just maybe a lunatic you're looking for. Turn out the light, but don't try to save me. You may be wrong, for all I know, but you may be right. Yeah, remember how I found you there, alone in your electric chair. I told you dirty jokes until you smiled. You were lonely for a minute. I said take me as I am, 'cause you might enjoy some madness for a while. Now think of all the years you've tried to find someone to satisfy you. I might be as crazy as you say. If I'm crazy, then it's true that it's all because of you, and you wouldn't want me any other way. But you may be right, I may be crazy, oh, but it's just maybe a lunatic you're looking for. It's too late to fight, it's too late to change me. You may be wrong, for all I know, but you may be right. You may be right, I may be crazy, and no, but it's just maybe a lunatic you're looking for. It's too late to fight, it's too late to save me. You may be wrong, for all I know, you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be right. Thank you so much.